Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to practice the Duolingo English Test. As interactive speaking section with a realistic interview style format, you'll get 8 questions, along with high scoring sample answers. This will help you improve your fluency, vocabulary, and confidence so you can score higher in your DET speaking test. So get ready, speak along with me, and let's start practicing.
Could you tell me about a personal achievement that you're most proud of?
One of my proudest achievements was completing my master's degree while working full-time. It was a very demanding period, but it taught me how to manage my time effectively and stay disciplined. I had to sacrifice some leisure activities, but in the end, it was worth it because I not only gained knowledge, but also developed strong problem-solving and multitasking skills. This achievement gave me the confidence to take on new challenges in both my career and personal life.
What challenges did you face while working towards this achievement?
The biggest challenge was balancing my professional responsibilities with my academic workload. Often, I had deadlines at work and exams at the same time, which created a lot of pressure. There were moments when I doubted myself, but I learned to prioritize tasks and set realistic goals. I also relied on supportive friends and colleagues who encouraged me to keep going. Overcoming these obstacles made me more resilient and adaptable.
How has this experience shaped your personal development?
It significantly improved my ability to manage stress and work under pressure. I became more organized, which has helped me in every aspect of my life. I also learned the value of continuous learning and how small, consistent efforts lead to big results over time. More importantly, it taught me perseverance, the ability to stay committed even when progress feels slow. These lessons have influenced the way I approach both personal goals and professional projects.
If you could go back, would you do anything differently during that period?
If I had the chance, I would have focused more on maintaining a healthy work-life balance. During that period, I often neglected exercise and proper rest, which sometimes affected my energy levels. I now realize that productivity is higher when you take care of your physical and mental well-being. While I'm proud of my achievement, I've learned that success is more sustainable when health and personal happiness are not compromised.
Thanks for discussing personal experience and development with me. Now I'd like to change topics and explore values and ethics. How do you define integrity in a professional setting?
For me, integrity means being honest and consistent in your actions, even when no one is watching. It's about keeping promises, taking responsibility for mistakes, and making decisions based on fairness rather than personal gain. In a professional setting, integrity also means being transparent with colleagues and clients. It builds trust, which is the foundation of any successful team or business relationship.
Can you share an example when you had to make an ethical decision at work?
In one of my previous jobs, I discovered an error in a client's invoice that could have gone unnoticed. Correcting it meant less profit for the company in the short term, but I reported it immediately. My manager appreciated the honesty, and the client's trust in us grew stronger. This experience reinforced my belief that acting ethically might not always bring immediate benefits, but it pays off in the long run.
How do you handle situations where your values conflict with workplace demands?
When my values conflict with workplace demands, I first try to understand the reasoning behind the decision or request. If I still feel it's against my principles, I communicate my concerns respectfully and suggest alternatives. I believe that maintaining open dialogue can lead to solutions that satisfy both parties. In extreme cases, I would rather walk away from a project than compromise my core values.
Why do you think ethical behavior is important for personal and career growth?
Ethical behavior is essential because it shapes your reputation, and reputation is one of the most valuable assets in life. People want to work with and recommend someone they can trust. In the long run, being ethical attracts better opportunities, builds stronger networks, and gives you peace of mind. For personal growth, it ensures that you stay true to yourself, which is equally important as professional success.